Everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as I promised in my previous video that my next video will be related to the sample paper or the paper pattern of class 12 English. So here I am. So again I'm telling you, if you are new to the channel, if you have not subscribed to it, do subscribe to it fast, because we are going to start the preparation of English now, because it's already very late. And if you have not watched my previous video, go and check it. There I have told 3 reasons why you should start preparing for English right now. So let's start the video. So as far as your paper pattern of English is concerned for CBSE class 12, that is completely different from previous year. Means earlier there were no MCQs, but this year there will be 50% of your paper will be of MCQs. So this is the major, you can say the biggest change. Another change is that some of your chapters and poems have been deleted from the syllabus. They were re-added only last year, but again this year due to this COVID situation they have been deleted. I think next year again they will be added back. Another difference in your paper will be that earlier your paper used to be in sections. Section A, B and C, but this year it will be in 2 parts, right? Part A and part B. So now we will discuss in detail what is part A. Part A will actually be your all MCQs of 40 marks. Means your written paper will be of 80 marks plus 20 marks will be there for ASL, and that is a big question whether this year practical exams will be conducted or not. So if whatever, till now the update is that your paper is 80 plus 20. So here we are going to discuss about 80 marks. If ASL will be conducted, then I'll make another video for ASL also. So now we will see that, as I have told you, that your paper will be of 2 parts, part A and part B. So in part A, your 20 marks means question 1 and question 2 will be unseen passages. There in both the passages you will have 11 questions. Out of 11 you will have to attempt any 10 MCQs, all MCQs. So I have created one video earlier also where I have told about the deleted syllabus of class 12 2020. So you can check that video also. That you can find in my playlist of class 12. So now we will see ki your unseen passages will be of 10 plus 10, 2 unseen passages will be there, means question 1 and 2, 10, 20 marks unseen passages, MCQs. So then your question 3 will be from your book Flamingo. There also 10 marks MCQ questions will be there from Flamingo, right? There it will be all mixed questions of chapters and poetry. So you have to prepare chapters and poems all very well, thoroughly, because MCQs are there. So for that you need to have in depth knowledge. कि ऊपर वाली स्टोरी जानने से काम नहीं चलने वाला. इस साल आपको अच्छे से चैप्टर के पूरे अच्छा डेप्थ में पता होना चाहिए, और उसमें आप क्वेश्चंस चेक करेंगे कि लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस के क्वेश्चंस भी हैं, तो वो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से वर्ड में कौन सा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यूज हुआ है. तो in this way you have to start preparing for your exam. That's why I'm creating this video right at the beginning, कि आपको कोई डाउट ना रहे, आप उस चक्कर में ना रहें कि एंड में एक स्टोरी पढ़ लेंगे और हमारा काम हो जाएगा. नहीं हो पाएगा इस साल. So now we move to question 3 and 4 also from your literature, means question 3 from Flamingo, question 4 will be from your book Vistas. Means both the books MCQs will be there. So both books you have to study thoroughly. Now we move to our part B of your question paper of English. So part B, in part B first of all you will have questions from writing section, right? तो उसमें क्या होगा, आपके 3 plus 3 2 questions, means question number 5 and 6 will be of 3 marks, right? 3 marks means in first question you will have means a question from advertisement and notice, right? Poster is deleted this year, so you need not do poster. So advertisement and notice, internal choice. Question number 6, very big change. this question will be compulsorily on invitations and replies. Means earlier this topic is very tricky, very confusing. जनरली हम बच्चों को ये सजेशन देते थे कि अगर इनविटेशन या रिप्लाई का क्वेश्चन आए तो उसको छोड़ देना, दूसरा ऑप्शन कर लेना. बट दिस ईयर देयर इज नो सच चॉइस. You will have to attempt that question because it is compulsory. Means दोनों ऑप्शन में invitation और reply ही होगा. And that is a very difficult question. I'm not telling this to get you panicked, but you should know the reality कि इस पे आपको ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी इस टॉपिक पे, क्योंकि इसमें कई तरह के अलग अलग फॉर्मेट्स होते हैं और वो बच्चों को कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं. तो you should know. So your question number 6, 3 marks, invitations and replies. Then your question number 7 and 8, they will be 5 marks long writing skills. उसमें आपकी लेटर्स आ जाएंगी, आर्टिकल्स आ जाएंगे, रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी. इनमें से आपके क्वेश्चंस होंगे 5 each. 2 questions, 7 and 8. So now means on writing section, right? 5. So total you can see your writing section is of 16 marks. 3, 5. 10 plus 6, 16 marks writing section. Now you have means 40 marks for your MCQ section and 16 this, right? 56 marks total. So now remaining 24 marks, they will be again all on literature. So there you will have short questions from one book first. Then you will have short question. First I think there are 4 short questions. I'm not having the paper in my hand, but I know everything. So first question will be of 2 into 4, 2 marks, 4 questions. Internal choice will be there. Then the next question will be from Vistas. There you will have 2 questions of 2 marks each. Then there will be 2 long questions of 5 each, right? So in this way your paper will be over. 5 marks के questions भी आपके दोनों books में से आएंगे. तो पहले ऐसा होता था कि लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन सिर्फ फ्लेमिंगो में से आते थे, बट अब आपको दोनों बुक्स को थॉरली स्टडी करना है, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी है. और ऑलरेडी इट इज वेरी लेट, नवंबर आ गया है और अभी तक आपने इंग्लिश को टच भी नहीं किया है. तो नाउ दिस इज द हाई टाइम, स्टार्ट स्टडिंग इंग्लिश. एंड इफ यू नीड एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ सपोर्ट, you can contact me in comment box also, or on Instagram also. You can follow Kingdom of Learning. And otherwise also I have started crash courses of 12th class and 10th and 11th and 9th. Also if you want to do crash courses from me, from my academy, you can contact me on Instagram, and I'm going to place one link in the description box. You can fill your details, we will contact you, and there in my next video I will tell you how are we going to study in this crash course. So stay tuned for that. Thank you everybody, and subscribe to the channel and like the video also.